Here we go. The actual instructions. This is going to be verbal. Here we go. Video 1. Overall, you are going to start this lab today. You're going to collect a whole bunch of data. There are 3 trajectory apparatuses set up along the side. Do not adjust those little nuts and where they're located, because it will throw your data and everybody's data off. I've got a low, medium, and high set up. Maybe not in that order, but they're set up. The 2 trajectory apparatus are on the far wall, on the east wall. You've got 3 stations up north and 2 on the far wall. The 2 on the east wall will not take as long. They go faster. Divide into 4 or 5 groups as you see fit. When you run through the data, go quickly. You're just collecting data. You can tape together. Use the scrap paper in the desk on the southeast corner there, up by underneath the thermostat. Use all that scrap paper, tape it together, make a runway, then lay the carbon paper on top. Do not tape the carbon paper down. You're going to do your launches at each angle as indicated by the table. Do one thing for me. On the lab sheet, it mentions there's an extra table and an extra lab station that says 0 and negative 10 degrees. Skip that entire table. There are only 3 launchers set up, but add negative 10 degrees to the other 3 launch stations. So you've got negative 10, 0, 15, 30, 45, and on up. So add negative 10 degrees to the angle for the other 3 launch stations that do exist. When you're done, clear your scrap paper off the floor, recycle it, leave the carbon paper. Common materials, tape, carbon paper, extra rulers, yard meter sticks. What you will need is on the first peninsula, the west peninsula. Work as groups. Divide into the groups. Watch the other 2 videos before you get up and do anything. Fill in the lab table. I will be back Wednesday. We've got math to do, and we will go forward from there. Don't adjust the nut. Don't tape down the carbon paper. Listen to the sub, etc., 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 etc. That's tomorrow.